Hi everyone, it's Joe from WHR Marketing, and today I'm going to take you through one of the best softwares for lead generation. With this software, you're going to be able to find over 80 million business leads from Facebook that are desperate for your help in a matter of minutes. The first thing you need to do is go to settings and set up your Facebook account. So if you click Facebook and just press connect, it will take you through to your Facebook account, and then you'll be ready to use the software. After that, press search leads, and then make sure this is on Facebook pages. Now this is where Leadflow360 really comes in handy. So now I can target any business. So I'm going to use plumber, which I used earlier, and then the location is all about local search. So if I just choose an area, we'll go to America, so Washington DC. Right, now I've got 14 leads from 14 different plumbers, so I want to only show leads with websites. That's 13 now. Show only leads with emails, and I'm down to 12 leads with emails and a website. So if I look down here, I've got a range of leads which I can target. Now you might be thinking, how can I target them? What's a plumber got to do with online businesses? Well, you have their Facebook page, you have their email address. So if I click send email and choose a template, you can offer them advice on how to build their Google reviews, or how to make their logo design better and branding. You can offer them SEO services, social media marketing services, video marketing services, and so much more. So if we click SEO services, I've got a range of templates. So here's one. If I scroll to the bottom, there's this website's email address. It's already set up and it's built in to my email address, which I connected. Now I can't tell you how powerful this tool is. This tool has already made me tens of thousands. Have a think of it like this, whether it's a plumber, an electrician, okay, whatever local business, imagine the power of being able to rank their site on the top of Google in their local area. For example, best plumber, Washington, top plumber, Washington, need a plumber in Washington. This works for any local area, any business, and I've made tens of thousands, like I said, just by pitching this to those local businesses. And that will be for SEO, that works for web services, design, all of those online areas which these companies don't really think about. You can even generate an SEO report for them. So if you click this button, so for the plumber.net, if we scroll down, they have a score of 54 out of 100. So there are some errors and some improvements that you can help them with. So they haven't sorted out their meta description. So if you're an expert in SEO, that is something so simple that you can sort out. They've got no headings. They've got 3 images without attributes. Very easy to sort out if you're an SEO expert. If you scroll down here, you can see they have no indexed pages on Google. So again, you can target them by ranking them on Google, page 1. They have no backlinks, which means you can start a backlink campaign for them. So to summarize, Leadflow can find you local clients all over the world from 74 million businesses that do not use online marketing. Think of this. Have you ever seen your local barbershop send you an advert on Facebook? I've never seen any of my local businesses on my Facebook ads feed. So that's another thing you can target. You can target helping them with their ads campaigns. So you have the power to solve these local businesses' problems. So that could be restaurants, car mechanics, coffee shops, okay? You can provide any of those online services, from SEO, ranking them on page 1, to making their website better. You can charge upwards from $200 to $3,000 for some of these services. You might not even be an expert in those fields, okay? But if you outsource to people that are, you can make a lot of money with Leadflow. And I can assure you there's a lot of money to be made with Leadflow. I've already made tens of thousands in 2 months with Leadflow, and I know you can. So if you want Leadflow, the link is in the description. I've also put a link to a smart passive income blueprint that's completely free. If you want that, that's in the link too. And what I want to know is, what is the best lead generation tool that you've used, or best lead generation strategy that you've used? If you could write that in the comment, that would be great. Please like, subscribe and share. And I'm Joe from WHR Marketing. Hope to see you soon.